Hi, everybody. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I got quite a surprise. Um, I went into dAFI's auction a few weeks ago and I bought a box that was going to be a surprise. And I asked for mixed media. Well, I had an Amazon package on my porch. So I open it and I'm like, what the heck is it? So I call my daughter saying, did you have something sent here? She's like, no. So I double checked the address. Well, as I was like debating, I'm like, I wonder who sent me this? Or was it accidentally not supposed to be come here? Well, then I realized there's some receipts of little things that fell to the ground. And it says, Lot 34, November, dAFI's auction. We chose to send this instead of filling the empty 6x4x3 box for most of the mixed media supplies. I wanted to put in it when it fit. From Disabled Artists Foundation. So, this was so cool. And I have more coming from them, but I tell you, our postal system. Because I wanted the March necklace and I bought some of the pocket letters. And I've been tracking it, because I always track everything. It was in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, which is only 30 minutes from me. Should have been here today. Now it's in Illinois. Yeah, go figure. But this is a cool surprise. This is the paint pouring kit that I just received for doing the mixed media box instead. I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. So let's see what's in it real quick. Because this was not expected. Oh. I thought Diamond bought it for one of the kids. Like for Allie or something for Christmas. So you get a canvas. And it's like there's a tablecloth. The paint pouring guide. And you get a lot of paint. Wow. Red. Oh, the cups. White. Ultramarine green. And flesh tint. There's feels like there's something in here. Let's see. Yep, there it is. And silicone oil. So you get that is so cool. Let's do a paint pouring. That is awesome. You didn't have to do that, but I appreciate it. So cool. With the little big cups. Wow, I'm gonna have so much fun. I think I'll save it for the summer and do it outside. Maybe do it with my grandkids. I have a craft table I put up outside. I'm gonna do things. This would be a cool project to do outside and show them how. I got some other paint pouring paint. Be a cool thing to do with the kids this year. So I want to thank you, and I will share the other stuff that when it comes in as well. And check out dAFI. I think it's an awesome thing that they do. And I want to thank you for this. I was been happy for whatever you fit in the box. And this is so cool. And very unexpected. And I was waiting for thinking, I do late night shopping. The funny thing is okay, Diamond sends things to my house. My son and daughter send things. Well, now, they used to until they bought their house behind me. But now, if they have something come out in from Amazon and they're at work. They let me know when I just go grab it and put it in their garage or house. But, so, I never know. Usually I'm told. So this was like, what is this? And I'm thinking, did I do late night shopping on Amazon and don't remember? So, I love this color. Very pretty. I love that aquamarine and turquoise color. And red. It's going to be pretty. So, as always, guys, go check out dAFI. They're a good community. They help a lot of artists. Matter of fact, there's a couple things I'm sitting on that I am running through my head to donate. And I have to get a hold of them. But I'm going to wait till after the Christmas season. So I got so much going on. So, I want to thank you. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.